In this video, we will demonstrate how users can view the history of data products and publications, along with related metrics and statistics. First, we navigate to the History Log section. In the Data Products tab, users can monitor every action performed on a data product, such as processing and updates, anonymization, downloads, and deletions. For example, by clicking on the anonymization button, users can see which techniques were applied, to which columns, when the action occurred, and by whom. By clicking on the See Metrics Statistics button, users can access an analytical view of data operations. The top section provides an overview of data product statistics, such as the total number of data products created, how many have been anonymized, and how many have never been updated. The bottom section displays a detailed list of all data products, along with a numerical count of each action performed on them. Users can use the Filter Period drop-down menu in the top right corner to narrow results to specific dates for more targeted auditing. The Publications tab allows users to monitor and analyze how data products are distributed across different portals. On this page, users can see a list of all published data products. By clicking the button on the right, users can view more detailed information about a specific data product, including the data product ID, publication ID, the user who published it, and its metadata. By clicking on the See Statistics button, a pop-up window appears with two tabs. The Total tab displays a list of data products per portal, while the Popular tab shows the 10 most frequently published data products. The button on the right provides additional details about each data product, such as its ID, total number of publications, and the number of publications per portal. Finally, the Notifications tab provides a centralized log of all system-generated alerts. The interface displays a chronological list of messages, and users can filter notifications by selecting a specific severity or topic from the drop-down menu.